Hi everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today I'm going to be doing Sasuke with his eternal Mangekou Sharingan. Sasuke of the Sharingan clan. Just kidding, I know it's the Uchiha clan. Don't be triggered. So it's close up just to get the eyes. So it's an extreme close up. So his chin is down here, top of his head is like off the page. So I just wanted to focus on the eyes for this one. So we zoomed right up. So we're going to start with his right eyelid. So we're going to go, starting about here, we're going to bring it up, like so. And then we're going to curve it around. And down here. This comes down to a bit of a point, it comes back up, and then it goes under his hair. So his hairline is just here. So this is going to go like that, and that's hair. So we thicken this up. And then we can add just a line for tear duct, just here. And maybe a line just coming off here for his eyelashes there. Try and smooth this out a little bit for you. So then under there we just jump a little bit and we're going to add a curved line for his bottom eyelid and eyelashes, and thicken it up a little bit, like so. And then of course in there is the Sharingan. So you could use something to trace around, something that fits the size. For me, this is perfect. If you wanted to do that, if you're up for a challenge, you could try a freehand circle. So right up here, so we're going to curve it like this, curve it around, try our best. Not bad. And then inside, so we have a pupil red circle. So we have this, and then we have a kind of lotus flower like shape coming out of that. So let's see, so there's like 6 points, right? So we'll do first point at the bottom, like so, and then there's a point directly above it, like here. Okay, and then there's a point coming off it and back down. Another one on this side, it's like a star kind of shape, like so, and then 2 more down here, like that. And then from here we have 2 sort of spikes that stick out from the pupil. So it's a spike that comes up nearly to the top here of this, and then comes back in, and it's dark black inside. And there's 3 of those. So the next one comes up here, spikes, you can thicken it up. And I always have to be careful with a Sharpie that I don't thicken things up too much, because they kind of blur together. And then another one down here. Like that. And then there's those lines that are inside that. So they go from each corner of these. So they travel to there. You're just joining them up. Next one curves around to there. Top to bottom. Like so. And, oh no, I'm missing one. Just here. Like this. And around this red star is black. And then, so he's really flexing his eye, so we have just some lines that show some sort of stress. So he's got a line just above here, a line coming down just about here, and then a few underneath, so like one here, one coming down this way, a couple underneath his eye just here, just to show that he's really flexing that eyeball of his. And then he's an eyebrow, so it's just here, real thin eyebrows, a bit thicker at the end, just there, and it's going to travel up this way. Like so. And then we have a line just for his nose, just here, like that. And then we can come over and do his other eye. So, we're about an eye distance. The good thing about Naruto characters' eyes is that they are in proportion. So if you measure your eye, come over, the next eye will start just about an eye distance apart. So we're going to bring this eyelid up. About here. It meets hair, like this side, Sasuke's long hair. This comes down that way. And then of course we can thicken up this top eyelid. Like so. You could do a little line for a tear duct. And then we'll do the bottom eyelid just across here. Like that. They can touch or not, depending on how you feel. If I go too fast, guys, just hit that pause. Hit that pause button, help yourself out. Right, so then another circle. And then around. Bad. That one's slightly better than that one. And then, so we have the pupil in the middle. And then the 6-pointed star. It's always easiest to start with the top guys and the bottom guys, just to get them directly above one another, just to get you started. Like that. And then you can do the two that come out the side. This, and then the two bottom ones, just here. like so. And then those 3 spikes, so you could do a line right there, a line coming up here, a line here, and then we can just thicken them up like this side. Just give them an edge. Kind of like propellers of an airplane sort of thing. And then we do the lines in the middle. Going across, joining each of those corners together, and this is the last one. And there. And then around that's all dark black. And he's got those stress lines around his eyes as well. Just underneath, following the shape for his eye. And an eyelid line up here. And then his eyebrow, just like the other side. And it's kind of thicker at the bottom. Like so. Right, so his nose. So, right down here, just 2 nostrils. Easy peasy. And then his mouth. He's got a real flat, serious mouth. Line for his bottom lip. And then his chin, just here. And then this is going to curve up to his jaw. And then go up to the side of his face, under his hair. Just here, and same on the other side. Jaw. Like that. This goes under hair. So then, his hair, so his fringe. So we do some spikes that come down. 1. Goes right across his eye. Like so. And these are all coloured black inside. And then bigger one that comes down right across the middle of his face. Just like so. Then another one here. This one comes back up. This one back down, back up, down. And then back up to there. We have a bit of a spike just here as well. And then this one on his face goes up to his jaw. Now, so the rest of his hair. So we have a big spike here. Spike there. Spiking down. Spike back up. Down. Up to there. Down. And then this is going to start traveling up now. To there, down, back up. This goes all the way up then to the top of the page. Of course, if you have room for his head, you could keep going. And then he has hair spikes that stick off the side of his head. So, let's see. One here. Here, another one here, And then one there, and that goes up off my page there. And then his hair on the other side, so it comes down. So it's the side of his head basically, so it's like right there, and it's going to come down to here, and we have his collar. Meets his collar just here, across from his nose. Like that. And this is going to curve around the back of his head, back down towards his shoulder, like that. And then he has the inside of it like this. Vertical line down. Then the inside of that collar, just another layer. Boop. And there's some hair in there, but we'll draw the neck first because it's behind his neck. So we have neck lines, one there, another one here. So a line for neck muscle just here, maybe there as well. And then the inside of his clothes, like so. And then those hair spikes just here in behind his head and his neck. This, and just some here as well. And his other collar then is on this side. So it's going to come around and down. And then we have the edge of it just here. Like so. And of course his hair is black. You could add shading to it. Colour, manga style with hatching. Totally up to you. But there he is. Sasuke with his eternal Mangekou Sharingan. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.